In health insurance analysis, understanding the distribution of claims across different claim value bands is often critical for streamlining operations and making informed decisions. Dashboards like this one make complex data easy to interpret and actionable. For example, in this funnel chart, we get a clear view of the number of claims across various claim value bands. Each layer represents a specific range of claim values, with the top layer showing the highest volume of claims and subsequent layers representing decreasing numbers. For instance, in the 0 to 50,000 Indian rupees band, the chart highlights the majority of claims, providing a quick snapshot of claims distribution and overall trends. The dashboard further empowers users by enabling interactive filtering based on parameters like policy type, claim year, and month. This helps health insurance analysts identify patterns, such as which claim value bands are most frequent under specific policy types or time periods, making it easier to allocate resources effectively. The interactivity doesn't stop there. By applying filters, the chart dynamically updates, offering real-time insights into claims data. Whether you're focusing on high-frequency claims or analyzing higher-value policies, this tool supports data-driven decisions. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.